Welcome students. Today we are going to start with practice set 23 of chapter number 5. Its question is write three rational numbers that lie between the two given numbers. Here children, there are two numbers given to you, that is 2 upon 7 and 6 upon 7, and we have to find out three rational numbers between these two numbers. So how to find out? Now here one thing is that denominators are same, so no problem. So on a number line, if I show you, suppose this is 2, so I can take it as 2 upon 7, 3 upon 7, 4 upon 7, 5 upon 7, 6 upon 7. So here it is 2 upon 7 and here it is 6 upon 7. So in between these two numbers, how many rational numbers are lying? There are already three numbers, so we have to find that only. Between these two numbers, we have to find at least how many rational numbers? 3. So we are getting these three rational numbers. So 3 upon 7, 4 upon 7 and 5 upon 7. So the three rational numbers that lie between 2 upon 7 and 6 upon 7 is, how many are there? 3 upon 7, 4 upon 7 and 5 upon 7. 3 upon 7, 4 upon 7 and 5 upon 7. Now let's move to the second one. Second one is 4 upon 5 and 2 upon 3. Now again we have to find out three rational numbers lying between these two numbers. The problem is children, in the first sum the denominator was same, but here the denominators are not same, so we have to make the denominator same. So I'll multiply them, cross multiply. 4 multiply by 3, down 5 multiply by 3, here 2 multiply by 5 and 3 multiply by 5. So this will be 4 3s are 12, 5 3s are 15, 2 5s are 10, and here it is 3 5s are 15. Now the denominator has become same. So between 10 and 12, how many rational number are coming? Only one is coming, 11 upon 12. 10, 11 and 12. But we want how many rational numbers? 3. So what we have to do? Again this fraction we will multiply by 2. So we will multiply them by 2 to both the numbers. 12 2 is 24, 15 2 is 30, 10 2 is 20 and 15 2 is 30. Now see, the denominator is same, and between 20 and 24 we are getting three numbers, 21 upon 21, 22 and 23. So if you want, you can see on number line. Suppose this is 0, this is 1 2 3, like this 20, 21, 22, 22, 23, 24. So between 20 upon 30 and 24 upon 30, we have to want three rational numbers. So three rational numbers we are getting, 21 upon 30, 22 upon 30 and 23 upon 30. So we got these three rational numbers. So therefore the three rational numbers are 21 upon 30, 22 upon 30 and 23 upon 30. Okay, now let's move to the third one. Third one is minus 2 upon 3 and 4 upon 5. Again, if you see, the denominators are not same, so we'll make the denominator same by making multiplying, cross multiplying. 2 into 5, minus 2 into 5 upon 3 into 5, 4 into 3 and down again 5 into 3. So it will be 5 2 is 10, minus 10, 3 5 is 15, 4 3 is 12, 5 3 is 15. Now the denominator has became same, but now here one negative number is there and one positive number, so we can draw a number line. Here center it is 0, 1 2 3 4 5 dash 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 till here positive number is 12. 12 upon 15, we have to take all this upon 15 because it is denominator, it is upon 15, and here it negative, it is minus 1, minus 2, -3, -4, -5 dash 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 till -10 upon 15. So from this two we have to take three rational numbers, but there are so many numbers coming, so you can take any numbers which you want. So I will take it any three rational numbers that lie between these two numbers. So I will take as -5 upon 10, even you can take 0, and one positive number you can take 4 upon 15, any three rational numbers lying between these two numbers. So therefore the three rational numbers are, when you can take -9 upon 15, any number you can take. I am taking -5 upon 10, one I am taking 0, and one I am taking 4 upon 15, or even you can take 11 upon 15 also, any number, but it should be between these two numbers only. So we want only three rational numbers, we have taken the three rational numbers. Now let's move to the fourth sum. Fourth sum is 7 upon 9 -5 upon 9. Now the denominators are same, so no need of making the denominator same. On a number line, let's show these numbers. One is negative, so negative will come on left, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. It is denominator, its minus is upon 9. So we have to write minus upon 9. Here positive 7 upon 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It is denominator is 9. So you can put it 9. So between these two numbers, -5 upon 9 and 7 upon 9. Between these two, so many rational numbers are there. You can take any three rational numbers which you want. So the three rational, I am taking 6 upon 9 over here. 1 0 you can take, and here one number you can take. So any three rational numbers, you can take even -3 upon 9, even you can take 2 upon 9, 4 upon 9, any. So the three rational numbers that lie between 7 upon 9 and -5 upon 9 are, I am taking -4 upon 9, one I am taking 0, and one I am taking 6 upon 9. You can take any three rational numbers that are lying between these two numbers. Fifth one, -3 upon 4 and +5 upon 4. Again the denominators are same, so no need of making the denominator same. On a number line, show these numbers. Center it is 0. Positive 5 upon 4 will come on right only, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here negative, so -1, -2, -3. Denominator it is 4, you can write 4 to all. So between these two rational numbers, we have to find any three rational numbers. So you can take again any three rational numbers which you want, that is of your choice. I am taking -2 upon 4, 0, and 4 upon 4, or 3 upon 4, any you can take. So the three rational numbers that lie between -3 upon 4 and +5 upon 4 are -2 upon 4, 0 I am taking, and 1 I am taking 3 upon 4. Any three rational numbers you can take between these two numbers. So we have seen this fifth one. Now let's move to the sixth one. 7 upon 8 -5 upon 3. Now the denominators are not same, so you have to make the denominator same by doing cross multiply. 7 into 3 upon 8 into 3. Here -5 into 8 upon 3 into 8. So multiply. 7 3 is 21, 8 3 is 24, 5 8 is 40, it's minus, and 3 8 is 24. Now see, the denominator has become same. Now let's show this on number line. One is negative, one is positive. Center it is 0. Here 1, 2, 3 dash 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 till 21 upon 24. here negative, so -1, -2, -3, -4, dash 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 till this -40 upon 24. You can put it, denominator is 24. So we have to see these two rational numbers. Between these two rational numbers, so many rational numbers are coming. Again, you can take it any three rational numbers which you want. So here I am taking minus, you can take it 19 upon 24. Okay, one I am taking this, one I am taking again 0, and one I can take it as minus 38 upon 24 also. You can take any three rational numbers that lie between these two numbers. Therefore the three rational numbers are minus 38 upon 24, 0, and 19 upon 24. Now let's move to the seventh sum. Seventh sum is 5 upon 7 and 11 upon 7. Denominator is same, so no need of making denominator same. On a number line, center it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, all positive numbers. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This one is 11. Denominator it is 7. You can put 7 to all. So between this 5 upon 7 and 11 upon 7, between these two there are so many rational numbers coming. You can take any three because we want any three. I am taking 6 upon 7, 8 upon 7, and 10 upon 7. So these three rational numbers I am taking. So therefore the three rational numbers that lie between 5 upon 7 and 11 upon 7 are 6 upon 7, 8 upon 7, and 10 upon 7. Any three you can take. So last one, eighth one, 0, minus 3 upon 4. Now between 0 and minus 3 upon 4 you are getting only two rational numbers. One is minus 1 upon 4 and minus 2 upon 4. We want 3. That is why what we'll do, we'll multiply this fraction by 2. Keep the 0 as it is. This you will multiply by 2. So you will get 0 minus 6 upon 8. So draw the number line. Here it is 0 and negative, no? So minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. This is upon 8. So you can put upon 8. So between 0 and minus 6 upon 8, so many rational numbers are coming. You want any three. So we'll take it as this you can take, this you can take, or this you can take. Any three rational numbers. So the three rational numbers are that lie between these two numbers, that lie between 0 and minus 3 upon 4 are minus 1 upon 8, minus 3 upon 8, and one more we want. You can take it this also or this also, minus 5 upon 8. So we have ended our practice set 23 here. In the next part I will upload practice set 24.